Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Oug Gets A Bug. Osmond the Toad and Doug the Worm were the best of friends. They were always playing together, having fun and thinking new things to do and going on adventures. They think they were inseparable. One day, Doug started to feel a little bit poorly. He was coughing and wheezing and had high temperature and a terrible headache. Osmond took Doug to the doctors. After taking a special test, Doug was diagnosed as having a serious virus, which was very contagious, easy to catch or pass on. Doug had to straight into isolation and the rest in his bed. His temperature was still very high. Osmond was very worried about his friend, so he looked into how to stopping the pollen creatures from catching the virus. There are lots of ways to be avoiding catching a natural virus: self-isolate, staying at home, and if you do go out, 2 meters for baby, especially if they have a cough or any cold symptoms. Always wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. You can time yourself by singing a song like Happy Birthday to Doug twice through. If you cough, do it in your elbow and not in your hand, so things you touch don't get infected. It's important to stay at home unless you have to go out for work, food, shopping, or exercise. Over the next few weeks, as Doug started to recover, Osmond decided that it was very important to stay positive and keeping in touch with his friend by emailing, texting, FaceTiming, and even writing letters. Staying in touch with each other is vital. To make sure those are okay, letting people know that how much they are loved and cared about can really lift their spirit. Keeping busy, doing things you enjoyed, and trying new hobbies like art or reading a good book can really help people feel good. After Doug spent a lot of time in isolation, he recovered fully. Doug didn't spread the virus because of social distancing, and because Osmond had been responsible and helping others not to spread the virus, because Osmond was very considerate toad. Everyone could go back to playing together again. Stay safe, everyone. Stay safe. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!